In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access age-restricted servers on Discord on iOS Android. If you're of legal age and you're seeing a lock on certain Discord servers marked as age-restricted, there's a quick setting you need to enable. Because of mobile platform rules, this option is easiest to reach from the desktop version of Discord, which we can access right from your phone's browser. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your mobile web browser and going to discord.com. Sign into your account if you're not already. Now switch your browser to desktop view so the full Discord interface loads. On most browsers, you can open the menu and select Request Desktop Site. If the page still looks like the mobile version, refresh after enabling desktop view. You may need to rotate your phone to landscape and pinch to zoom for a more comfortable layout. Once the desktop layout loads, look to the bottom left corner of Discord for the small gear icon labeled User Settings and tap it. On a phone screen, it can be tiny, so zoom in if needed. This opens your account settings panel, just like it would on a computer. Inside settings, find and select content and social. This section controls what types of content your account is allowed to access across Discord. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the app settings section or use the settings search bar and type content. Now look for the option that says allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. Toggle it on. You may see a confirmation prompt. Agree to proceed if you meet the age requirement. This setting tells Discord that your account can view servers flagged as age-restricted on Apple devices. On Android, you may not see this exact wording, but if the option appears, enable it the same way. When you're done, back out of settings. For the change to take effect in the mobile app, it helps to fully close and reopen the Discord app. Make sure you're signed into the same account you just updated in the browser. If you still can't access a server, double check that you enable desktop view before changing the setting, update the Discord app to the latest version, and try again. That's it. Open Discord in your browser with desktop view, go to user settings, choose content and social, and enable allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. Follow server rules, stay safe, and only use this feature if you're of legal age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.